Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the game version. Make sure it's fully updated so night mode assets load correctly. Once done, enable developer options in side settings and create a backup of your config files. This protects progress if something breaks. You should also free at least 1 GB of storage and connect to stable Wi-Fi to download patches. These initial actions reduce risk and speed the process, so do them now before you modify any UI or shader files. You will install the night mode assets next. Grab the official pack or a verified mod and confirm checksums to avoid corrupted files. Once downloaded, move the asset folder into /gamedata/UI or your modloader directory, making sure file names remain exact. Then adjust the shader override, set brightness to -30% and apply a 210 degrees tint to achieve a cool blue shift. This reduces eye strain and preserves contrast. Make sure to save the config and restart the client to apply changes. You finish by testing night mode in a private match and adjusting HUD opacity to 60% and map contrast by +15% to keep readables visible. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup, clear the game cache, and reapply the assets after a clean restart. That sequence resolves most config conflicts. If you see flicker, disable dynamic shadows or lower your refresh rate to 60 Hz. This often removes shader timing issues and stabilizes the night mode visuals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.